Hello YouTubers, welcome to the first C++ programming tutorial with Rahul Rao. Actually this is your first programming tutorial, so I'm gonna explain you everything you should know in the first programming tutorial, and I'm following a book for C++ and right beside you is the screen has been divided because I'm gonna show you the theory part as well the practical part simultaneously, because you will not require the use of a book explicitly. So from the programming point of view, this programming language is the most useful programming language for any of the programmer out in the world which loves programming. It has got both of the paradigms, both of the style of writing the programs, like the procedural and the OOPS. OOPS stand for object oriented programming language, and procedural language is the C style programming language, the Fortran. You must be knowing the low level programming language as well, but this is the very high level language programming. So starting from the main function, there are functions, there are variables, there are preprocessor directive. Don't afraid from this thing. These are the crux of every programming language. There are header files, there's a namespaces, there is many things. You are shut up, go away. Yeah. So uh, you probably not afraid of the things like, oh my god, there are a lot of things in the programming language, how I'm gonna grasp it or learn it. Take out that fear. It's really simple. You're gonna only remember one thing: the entry point is the main function, first thing. Second point, we have to include an directive which contains all those functions, the console functions, that is the iostream file, okay, input output streaming file. So leave the using namespace std, the line, and every I want to tell you every the every, you can say, every statement in a programming language and with a semicolon, okay, and a comment or the thing you want to display directly to the console output, it is enclosed in a double quotes like it is in cout statement here. So making this programming tutorial really short, I'm going to explain through the book. Yes, the function is the fundamental building blocks of C++. I've already explained that the entry point is the main function. It is the most crucial point because from here we enter into the programming statement and algorithm which has been implemented, and each line has to be executed in the C++ way, and we are doing the C++ way. And there are braces too. You can see the braces in the int main. These limits the scope of the program of main function. The starting brace starts the implementation of the main function, but it has been written in the main function. And the closing brace has the end of the main function. The scope is limited the main function. So brace is also a crucial part, and you can see they always start with the main function, and it is the typo definition, like the braces after the main is the by default the function declaration, you can say. And here's a diagram. You can see that the main function is the entry point of the function, and through the main function we can call all of the function. I'll be explaining you later way. You don't worry about it. The programming statements, yeah, every programming statement, I explained it earlier also, ends with a semicolon. Yes, return 0 returns the state, returns 0 to the main function that it is it has stopped. So semicolon. So next, white spaces, output cout. I explained it. If you, I didn't explain, sorry. If you want to output the following. You any line, like if it is any line or a statement which is not a variable. I will explain what is a variable. So this is my new tutorial C++. So I can output this line too, because it is a cout statement, and every cout statement enclosed in a double quotes outputs the line which we write in the double quotes. And here you can see that slash and backslash n is the escape character. I will explain you a little later in the videos. So that's it for the tutorial. And here you can see cout is the console output. Here you can see this operator. It is an operator which the outputs this line to the console. And don't worry about the variable and constants and all those stuff. I'll be explaining a little later. Constants, directives, header files, all those stuffs I'll be explaining a little later. For this tutorial, let it be the easiest way to explain. This is the end of the tutorial, and hope you like it, because it is a really cool programming language. Yeah, this is my new tutorial in C++. That's it. Don't worry about anything. I'll be explaining you everything in this tutorial. Goodbye. Have a great day.